Now I am going to show all the customers in the admin dashboard. Okay, so in order to show all the customers, I am going now to the admin registered extension. Okay, so first go to the admin, and in the admin layers there is a sidebar, and here I am going to create a section that is the customer section. So here I write that is the customer, and here I will use the customer view and other things. So here it will be customer view, and this is okay. And I will create like other sections for the customer, for example the area or coupon or something like that. So I am going to create customer view.php. The admin can add customer, edit customer, delete customer. I will do something like that. So customer create.php, and then I am going to create customer edit.php, and another one will be customer delete.php. So there is a customer view.php. I am with this now. So here what I will do, first one is customer view. So in order to work with customer view, I am going to product category, for example product category view, copy the code, and customer view, paste it. So it will be customers. So customers, and here it will be customer create, and in here that is for example photo and name, and here from the customers table I will get all the data, and here I can write it. You can make an order by that can be ordered by ascending, but it will be by name. So alphabetically it will create the orders. Okay, so now here that is the photo, max wide, it is okay, and here I will replace it by customer edit and customer delete, and this is the name. So if I now go to the admin panel, refresh, use customer, click here, it is coming, but there is no customer data as a photo. So first I am going to check that is the customer table. So customer table is this one, and here actually no photo. Okay, so name, email, phone, and address. So 4 information will be here. So let's do that. I am going to open it, 4 information. So here I do not need to have the photo. I am going to give the name. So there will be another one is TA's email, and then there will be a phone, and then address. So 4 items here. There is nothing about the photo in the case of customer. So name, and then email, phone, and then address. So here I am going to refresh it here. You see this is the customer name, email, phone, and address coming here, and admin can create new customer from here, and that I will do. And in this case on extra item will be there, that is the status. Admin can change the status of the customer. So first I am going to copy, for example the area create or something. Okay, so copy this, and customer create, here I am going to paste it. So for the customer there is a password as an extra field, and there is a status. So create customer, here I write it. So this will be customer view, and here it will be name is okay, and in the customer view there is a I missed one thing, that is the status. So here you can write the status, that can be here td, and using the if condition I will write if the row of status equal to active. If active, then it will be busy success, and otherwise busy danger inactive. So in this way you can show the data, for example like this active. So both customers are active. Now if you want to create a new customer, then I will have to write I will have to change the code, for example name, and then there will be an email. So here name is okay, here will be email, and all will be column 12, that is okay. So then after that there will be a phone, and here you can write the phone here, and after that you can write the address. So here address will be there, and then submit, and after the submission it will go here, and then name cannot be empty, and select all from here. There is no duplication check, but in the case of email there will be duplication check. Okay, so email cannot be empty, and then email validation check, and it will be like this. Okay, email is invalid, and then it will check duplicate email check. So here we will check into that table. So select all from which one, sorry, it will be select on from customer, so email equal to this one. So where okay, I am going to remove this item, duplicate email check, customer's email equal to this email, then check total, and this is okay. And after that there will be a phone. So phone cannot be empty like this, and there will be an address. So it will be if post of address equal to empty, and then address cannot be empty, and then insert into where customers table, and here it will be name, email, phone address, One extra thing that I missed here, that is here selection of status. So here will be status, sorry, it can be call MD4, that is not a problem, and here it will be select and class equal to form select, and here it will be status, so like this, and it will be active or inactive. So this status, it will come here after the address, that is status. So here another extra item will come here, and in here there will be a status. Customer has been created successfully, customer view is okay. If any error, then it will come to customer create page. So everything is okay. Now if I want to create customer, but one thing missing, that is the password. So here one thing I can do that will be better, I think, that is call MD6. So name and email in the first field, then phone and address in the second row, and after that there will be a password. Two types of password. One is password like this, text, this will be like password and password, and another one will be confirm password. So here it will be confirm password. So name will be here confirm password. So in this case, what I will do, here you must have to create a password. So I will check if password cannot be empty, if config, you see it suggests me, so it looks good. So I make this one. If you want, you can apply password strength or new password, final password equal to password hash technique. Applying this, I am going to create a strong password, and so here use the password field, and here use an extra question mark, and so here I am going to write final password inside. I hope it will work. So refresh, you see name, email, phone address, password, confirm password, and here, and in the status field I am going to make it call MD6. It will look better, so something like that. So click on submit, it will not work, you see name cannot be empty. So here you will have to give the correct information here. So what I will do here, you see Mr. John Smith at example.com, and then I can use another person, for example the David, and here David at the rate of example.com. So something phone number can be something like this. So this is just a sample phone number, okay. So address is sample city, so something like that. Password 1234. Status I can make him inactive, so add the information. You see it is not coming. Why? I again do that. I am going to make a fake filler now, George Lloyd, okay. So here I am going to give George, and here is example.com. Phone number is sample phone number 222. Again this, and again this. Address is 34 this USA. Password 1234. Click on submit. So it is not working. Why? I probably made some mistake here. I need to check it again in the admin panel. So when it is going to be submitted form 1 in the customer create, so the data that is passing action and method post, so up to this it is okay, and name fields are everywhere, so name should work. And after that status has also the name. When it is going to submit form 1, and here is form 1, so if there is any error, if there is any issue, name cannot be empty. So here I use the cannot be empty. From customers it is going to check, and if everything is okay, insert into customers. It is showing the data customer create, customer created successfully. So if I give submit, you see name cannot be empty, here email cannot be empty. So this error message section is working, but the data is not inserting into the database. So customers is the table name. I again recheck. So customers is the table name, and then name, email, phone address, password status. It will be name, email, phone address, password status, and token has no value here. If you want to use, you can do that. That is not a problem. How many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 here, 6 7. So customer has been created successfully, so it should work here. I put every input by this one now as a check. Now it is working, and you see now, for example, something I think something happened that time. Now it should work. So I again go to use the fake filler Carl Cooper. So here I use carl@example.com, and phone is for example this one is 444. Here also this one, here this one, and 45 this 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Status active. You see, yes, now it is working. Probably something was happened in previous time, but you see now everything is working without any issue. Now in order to edit the customer, what I will do, I am going to work with here, that is the customer view. Here already customer edit.php page I created. So go to customer edit.php, and here I will write the code. So area edit, I am going to copy the code from here, and customer edit, I am going to paste the codes. Here what thing I will need to change in the top, this will be customers, where ID equal to this. I am going to check it if the customer ID is valid or not, and then in this location again I am going to run, that is the customers, and this result is okay. Now in the edit area I will write it customer, and here it will be customer view.php. And other things what I will need, that is in the customer create, what I did, that is all these items. So I am going to copy all the items from here, and now I am going to paste the data here. So result of data, here I will have to write, that means here I will have to write the value field. So here what thing I will write in the value, result of name. In the case of email, result of email. In the case of phone, it will be the value of result of phone, and in the case of address, result of address. But in the case of password, there will be nothing, and there is no asterisk, because this is optional field, right? And status will be mandatory, it is okay, but here it will be if the existing result status active, then first one selected, otherwise second one selected, and here it will be update. So this is the basic thing, and when it will be submitted, then it will come to here. And in the top, what I did here, that is name, email duplication check, etc. So I am going to copy the data, for example up to the address. I am going to write the data. So here I just write the update the coupon. No, here it will be something like that. So duplicate email check will be what, where email equal to this, and the current one it will have to skip. So what I will write here, that is request ID. So email already exists, other items will be okay. And in the case of success, customer has been updated successfully, customer view, it is okay. But the update data will be here. In order to update the code, first I will have to check the password. So if the password not equal to empty, and here if I write like this, if password not equal to empty, then I will write that means you want to change the password. Then I will check the confirm password. If it is empty, it cannot be empty. If this password does not match, password do not match, and then it will be into final password equal to this one. And here you see they write me code, that is update customer set name, email, phone address, password, status. So name, email, phone address is okay. And in the case of password, it checks if is set final password. If is set final password, that means the person want to change this one, then it will be final password. Otherwise the result of password means the existing data of password will be the password. So it is okay, I do not have any issue here. So password customer has been updated. So customer view, and here it will be customer edit.php. So I hope everything should work here now. So refresh it. So Canyon rule, and here I am going to change this data. You see the data is loaded without any issue, and here I am going to put the data Knox. So Knox at the rate of example, for example this is example.com, and here it will be 555, so something like that, and here this way, and the address is 44 this one, and then USA, password 1234, confirm password 1234, status is updated. So you see data is updated here, and knocks down is the new customer here. Similarly here I change this one, that means here I am going to change the phone by 777. So same format I am going to follow it here. So you see it is okay, and this one will be something like that. So here I can write here, that is 66, and here write this one, and here this one. So update. So if you want to make anyone not updated, not active, for example he is inactive, so update, you see this is inactive. So in this way you can do that. And now I am going to change the password. For example, I want to change the password for the Carl. So here if you go to the Carl, password 12345. So now I try to log in as this. So customer dashboard, log out, and here this person is this one inactive. So if any person is inactive, if he wants to log in here now, you will see that he cannot log in because email not found. But if I make him active now, for example active, and then if he again try to log in using the same password, it is possible to log in and successful. So this is the thing. Now I am going to make this inactive. One customer inactive is okay, looks good, and this is the customer, this is the customer, in this way. So test city or test street, in this way you can use the address. For example, I am going to write on, and here write the address. Here it can be 22, and here it can be 33. Here it can be 33, and then it can be 44. So in this way I can use the sample data. So Smith Cooper, for example. So this is the person, Carl Hicks or something like this I just use. Now I hope you understand how to add the customer. Now if I want to delete the customer, for example fake filler, fill all the inputs, submit. And if a customer is created, you can do one thing, that is you can send the email to the customer. So it is another way. Yeah, if you want you can follow it. But before doing that, I am going to delete the customer. So if you want to delete the customer, what will happen? Now here I am going to delete the customer, that means here this space, so area delete I am going to copy, and here I am going to paste it, customer, so customers, and here it will be also customers, and here it will be customer view, and here is customer has been deleted, customer view. Now if I want to delete any customer, for example refresh, I want to delete the customer, this one, this person, so delete. Okay, you see he is deleted. Now I want to log in as this customer, that is this person. His password I changed, so 1 2 3 4 will not work here. So sorry, you see, yes, it is not working here. You will have to give 1 2 3 4 5. So now he can do that. If he changes his profile 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, that is also okay, there is no issue at all. And now I am going to here customer dashboard and log out. So refresh, it coming. So now you see it is working. If you want to send the email to customer, what will happen? So if you want to send the email that his account is created and the customer will get his login information, then he will have to send the email here. After inserting into customers, send email to the customer. So in order to work with the email, as I am in the admin panel, there is a forget password, so copy this on here, not here, I am going to paste it in the top, and in this forget password I am going to send the email using this code. So this is the code, and here customer create, here I am going to write the code. So from inside I am going to paste the data here, only the email sending code I am going to use here, and in the top it is used, it is okay. So mail trump information will come here automatically, and to where the email will be sent, it will be post of email, it is okay. And here your account is created, so your account is created, and the email message, what will be the email message? So email message will be dear post name is okay, then your account has been created successfully, here is your login detail, so email is this, password is this, it is okay, email and password you can send the user. And in the login URL here something will be here, that is the login URL. So here I write login URL, it will be base URL login.php. okay, so a person, if he clicks, it will take him to here. So login URL means the base URL, and if he wants he can copy, or here you can use the anchor. So in the login URL anchor you can use this one, and here is base URL login.php, here you can end the anchor, that means this one, and here you can write the base URL login.php, something like that. Now I am going to check it so that if it works or not. So create a new customer here, so I am going to use the fake filler to add the customer. Another one I am going to use because the name is very big, so here I apply another name. I am going to use this one. Again on I am going to give Alan Soto. Okay, so Alan is good name. Sorry, what happening? Again doing the name, that is Alan Soto, it was the name, so Alan at the top example.com. So phone number will be something like this. Here I put the phone number, and address is like this, and password is 1 2 3 4, confirm password 1 2 3 4, and he is this one, I added. And if you want, if you see that it is taking time because it is sending the email, customer has been created successfully, so Alan Soto, right? And if you want you can change the information, but before going there I am going to check my mail trap. So in my mail tab, your account is created. This email comes into the LN. Dear LN, so it has been successfully. Login detail is this. If you click here, it is taking you to the login page. So the information here is working. So in this way you can create the new customer without any problem. Now if you want to delete any customer, I will check it. For example, the Alan Soto, this one I am going to delete. So just click here, you see the data is deleted successfully without any problem. Like the customer invoice, I am going to show all the orders in the case of admin. For example, if you are a customer, I am going to log in as a customer like this. So this one. Now here, if you go to order, you will see all the order for this by this customer, and there is the invoice of this order. Okay, so this was a very good thing, a very good format. It was there, it is okay. Now the similar thing I will do in the case of admin. So here admin will see all the orders. So here I created the product detail or something like this under a particular order. So first I am going to show all the orders. So here it was customer order, and in the case of admin I am going to create here now, that is order.php, or here I can write orderview.php. I am now going to copy this one, and here going to give order view, and this one will be here, and this one will be order. So all the order I am going to show here, and I am going to create the thing here in the orderview.php. So go to orderview.php. Here I am going to copy the layout, for example the customer view. So first I am going to copy the data from here and paste it into the order view. So it will be orders, and here not this one, I am going to remove this one. Orders is okay, and here what will be there, I am going to check now customer order, and in the customer order you see the table information that was needed was this. So copy this, and here I am going to paste all the things. So what things will be here, customer info, payment method, subtotal, etc. will be shown here. So similarly like here I am going to copy, and in my order view here I am going to paste it. So it will be something like that. From the orders I am going to get, but here it was a where customer email, but in the case of admin it will not be here. So I remove, because admin will check all the orders. And what will be inside, that is order number and all other things like this. So I am going to copy the data from here like this, and I am going to copy all the data, and in the order view here I am going to write all this data like this one. So okay, so press that tab like this, and after that what will be here in the modal, I will show all the product details. So this one I am going to give here into the tier. So if it happens, then what is coming I am going to show you first. In the admin panel, refresh, you see order, click here, you see all the orders are showing here, and here I am going to check if this is pending, then be the secondary, if paid then earning, if processed this then info. So after showing all the data in this way, now I am going to check. There was a double thing here, so I am going to remove that was here previously. For example, here customer edit, it is probably not needed, because here after the modal, this is the modal customer invoice, that means here. So I do not need this one, so remove it, and instead of customer order invoice, here it will be actually the order invoice when I will write. But for now it is okay. Refresh it, and here you see the data are showing everything here, but a big scroll bar coming here, because there is a lot of data here. So if you want to reduce it, how I can do, here you see coupon discount, where there is no coupon discount, then empty showing. So here the coupon code, if discount is 0, so here you can do like this. Here is if the row of row of discount not equal to empty, then this one will be shown here. So end if, so it is okay. So refresh it. Discount, sorry, there is a spelling problem, copy and paste it here, sorry. Okay, so now check it, this one, so it is okay now, but still coupon discount has this one. Why? So if the row of discount not equal to empty, not equal to 0, okay, so row of discount, then this one will be shown. Okay, not empty, it will be not equal to 0. So it is okay, and I hope everything is showing perfectly here. So order date, status, and these things are here. As there is a low space here, it is showing no problem, but if you click here, you see the product detail is showing without any problem. Which products were purchased under is order, that is here showing. So in this way it is showing the items. So this is the thing. So I hope you understood. Here you see the paid, and here is when there will be any order, then the admin will have a power so that admin can change the information. So I will show you that, no problem, so that admin can change the status. Admin can change any status anytime from here. So in the here it is a pop-up, it is okay, but the status admin can also change. So how admin can change the status? For example, in the case of admin, when there is an order showing here in below, that means under is order, under this admin can use here the change, for example the change status. So here if you click on change, that means here is a link under each one will be shown in this way. So you can easily change the status from here. So if you click on change, what will happen? There will be another modal. So here I am going to call the another modal like this. It was the example modal, and here I will call here, for example, the change modal. So change modal like this. And if change modal I change, everything is okay. So this type of another modal will come. So I am going to copy this one and paste it here, and the name will be change modal here. So this is change modal, and in the case of change modal, here I will write change status will be here. So like this one, and here there will be input thing here. So I am going to remove this. So here there will be actually a form, and here I am going to write some data. So MB2, and here I am going to write level. So level will be what? Status, and the status will be here, you see, that is the existing one will be selected in the case of row. So pending, then there is a paid, processing, shipped, delivered, cancelled. Okay, automatically it is showing it here. If I click here, you see status pending, these things you will have to change. So then when there is a paid selected, and I can change the status. Okay, so after that there will be a submit button. So after the select, here MB2, and here button submit, here name equal to form change status. So submit, it will be submit button, and here there will be class equal to btn primary btn sm. So if I use like this, so click on change, you see there is a submit button here. sm is not needed, I think the full size button should be shown here. So paid, so submit, so select from here the status and submit. So what you are selecting, that is important, and in the case of which one, because there are many order number here, you see there is an order number, many order number here. So when I am going to change anything, then you can pass the order number also. So and hidden information, that is input type hidden order number will be passed, and here will be form change status. So I can go to the top, and here I can write PHP. So here if is set, so if is set, then post of form change status, then what will happen here, I will write the order number. They suggest me something, but I am not going to do that. I am going to change the status easily. So the order number, I am going to change the order number status to the selected one. So here PHP update, and I will change orders. So in the order, the status will be where it will be changed. That is, if you go to the table, you will see that the orders status is into the orders table, where the status is in the last. So I will change orders table where set status equal to, that is coming through the status, that means post of status. So here I write that is post of status. It will be updated, and where the order number, so order number equal to this, the order number is that is coming using this, that is the order number. So here I can write the message, success message, order status has been changed successfully. Then just come back to the same page, that is the admin URL. So admin URL, and then exit. So now let's do that. I am going to refresh it, this one. So this order, for example, the person who is this is the order number. So if I search the order number, so you see this one. So that means the last one here showing. So here change the status from paid to processing. Okay, submit, you see the change status is processing. And if the user refresh here, he sees his status is processing, and when processing done, his status can be shipped, and here it will be changed to shipped. And if the product is delivered then or completed, here actually there is completed, right? So I am going to the database, what is I gave here, I am not sure. So shipped, delivered, not completed. So it will not be completed, it will be delivered. So it will be shown here the exact same thing, that is the status. So now here he can change it to not completed, change is still completed showing, where is delivered is there, and here changing this status to completed here, so it will be delivered. Okay, so now refresh it again, you see delivered. So submit, you see delivered means it is success, and if the user sees, he will see his status is completed. Here is time when you will change the status, you can send the email, you can send an email to the user, send email notification to customer, it is possible. So from the orders, if you see in each order there is a customer email, so just send the detail to his email. This is very easy. So from this I am going to do one thing, that is getting customer info. So here select all from orders, where order number is this, this will be the face. So okay, so here will be order data. So order data of customer email will be the customer email. So customer email equal to order data of customer email. And in order to send the email, in the case of admin, what I will do, forget password, go there, copy this thing and paste it into here, and then I am going to send the email. The email sending code is here. So first one is this and then this. So copy this, and now I am going to paste it here. So try not needed, I am going to cut the data from here, paste it here. So it will be something like that. So 2 will be at address, that will be in my case customer email, and here it will be order status update. So here in the email message you can show dear customer, customer name, okay, your order with the order number this has been updated to this one, thank you for shipping. Yes, it can be okay. I do not need anything more. So this is the email message. So if this thing happens, now I am going to change the status. Okay, so I am going to make it shipped. So wait for some times. It is going to send the email to customer, and you see order status has been changed. Now if I go to the orders, go to the email, you will see order status update. So the customer of this order, he will see his order status update mail like this: your order with the order number this has been updated to shipped. Thank you for shopping with us. Best regards, company name. So this is very perfect thing here. So I hope you understand how to update the order status, and admin can see all the orders from here. Now I am going to show the invoice. So in order to create the order invoice, I am going to create a file here that is into the admin, that is order invoice.php. So how I will manage it? This will be something like, you see that in the case of customer, there is a customer order invoice. So it will be similar to this. So in order to show this thing, that means the order invoice, I am going, you see there is already invoice.php page, something like that, but I will not use that. I will show something like anything I can call here, area view for example, like just call the layout. And after calling the layout, I am going to remove the table from here, and this is the card. So it is okay. So here, like the customer order invoice, I am going to check something, that is in the top. I am going to check if the order is real or not, or something like that. So copy, and in the top I am going to paste it. And in the case of order invoice, here you see the heading is invoice. So here I can write that is the invoice. And instead of showing here, here you can go back to previous page, that is order view.php, and write here back to previous. So you can write something like that. And here, like the invoice, here you see the invoice container starts from here. So from there, with the JavaScript, I am going to call all the codes. So this is the invoice container. So copy this, and in my admin invoice here, I just paste this item here. So it will be something like that. So this is the invoice container that ends here, and then to JavaScript and this file. So it is okay. And now what thing I will change here? You see by order number I show all the invoice, and another one is to show the CSS. So in the dist front CSS, if I go to style, the invoice CSS is started from here. So I copy the data, and in my dist admin here, I am going to CSS, custom CSS. I am going to check if there is any invoice. You see this one, but I am not going to change anything there. I am going to just add the invoice CSS here, like the front end. So now refresh it. I am going to see this one. Here is the invoice. Click here. You see this is the invoice format, the similar format that I used in the case of customer panel. And here in the case of order invoice of the admin, here table responsive border 0, here I can use that is table SM, or I am not sure if it will work. Refresh. So table I'm not sure how it works. Table work. If you want, you can change the padding. You see there are a lot of padding here. So if you want, in this case, you can use this padding. Okay. So in the style, you can just you see there is a padding 0 to 5, and so here you can use reduce the padding, or here you can change the height. So you can also change the height like this. So you can configure this thing according to your wish, but I am not going to do that now. The thing that is showing here, it is okay. Invoice is showing perfectly. Just click on the print. You see this will be printed. So if you now go to check it, that means here like this. Probably there is a zoom here, I'm not sure where, but here there should be a zoom, and landscape mode is this, and portrait mode is this. You can print from here in any mode. So okay, so it is working actually, and invoice data is showing here. If I go back and then I am going to open another one, for example this one, status is paid in this case, and you see this is the another invoice. So in this way admin will be able to see all the orders, and here order invoice, and when invoice, then this is not selected. So if you want to fix that, here you can show if the current page is this one, or the current page is, for example, the order invoice. In both cases it will be selected, and now you see it is selected. So if you go order, or if you go to the order detail, that means the invoice, you see this one will be selected. Similar thing will be in the case of customer, but here it is not working. So in the case of customer, I am going to add the same type of condition if current page is this or this or this. So customer view, then customer create, and then customer edit. So refresh it, it is okay. Customer selected, view selected. If I go here, everything, every time customer selected. In the area, if I go here, it is not selected. So similar thing in the case of area, I am going to copy this one or this one or this one. So it will be create and it will be edit. In all the cases, even in the case of coupon, similarly this one, this one. So coupon view, coupon create, and coupon edit. In everything, in every time it will be created. So product view has the same thing, that is like this and this, and product create and product here edit. And in the case of product, there is another thing I will show you, no problem. Product, if you go here, you will see it is selected. If you go to add, you see it is already selected. Photo gallery, so here is product photo gallery.php. So in the case of product, I will add another extra item, that is product photo gallery. So this will be here. So refresh it, you see it is selected. And in the case of photo category, the similar thing will be happened. So this one or this one or this one. Photo category view, photo category create, product category create, or product category edit.php. So now refresh. If you go here, it will be selected, and when dashboard, then dashboard will be selected. Now I am going to work with the order tracking. So what is the order tracking? That is, I am going to show you so that you can understand. I am going to home page, and that means I am going to the front end, and in the front end I am going to check my navigation or check my menu, whatever. So here I go to header.php, and this is my menu, and after the contact I am going to add another one, that is order tracking, for example. So order tracking, and here I write order tracking. So order tracking.php, or only tracking, you can write tracking.php, that is okay. I am going to create a page in the home in the front end, that is tracking.php. For example, like the contact page, I am going to copy the data from here. In the tracking, I am going to paste. So here is order tracking. So order tracking, home order tracking, and here you see there is a contact box or content for layout contact page. I am going to check another page, login, for example. Here also login page, that is good. I can copy the login page content here and remove this one. So remove this. So for example, the login page content, and here order tracking is the main thing. Here if I refresh, you see this is order tracking. Click here, and this will be actually order tracking. So that means here I write order tracking, and here I write order number. You can give here name equal to order number. and then I am going to remove other items. For example, here is submit is okay, this is not needed, and this is I remove. So here it will be submit. So it is, for example, form submit. So when I click on form submit, what will happen? For example, order tracking, here I can make it in another way, that is command form. Here is call MD12, MT12. I am going to write here what will be here, inspect element, and login form has max white. So if I can remove the login form, that means if I remove this class, what will happen? So this is, for example, order tracking, that is good, but here I am going to apply a style. A style is equal to max white 500, or here 600, for example. So order tracking you can give something like that. So you will have to click, you will have to give here your order number and then click on submit, and then there will be data. So in order to track your order, when you will give your order number, submit, then the form will be submitted, and I can show the status in this position. For example, that is here, or after the order number I can show the position, that means here. So here I can show the level, that is here is order status pending. For example, I put something like this, so it will be this way. And here you can just make it for example, style equal to font size. You can increase the font size to 20 pixel, something like that. Order status and font weight you can make here 700. So order status something like this, it will be shown. So this one I am going to show using this, that is if there is no data. For example, here I write that is if is set, then session, not session, post of, here I write that is order number. Okay, so I can put it into the top like other pages, so it is okay. So I put it like this. So if order number, then I am going to check it from the table, that is from the orders table. I am going to get where order number equal to the order number I am going to get from here, and it is actually the post. And then I am going to check if it is invalid, then there you can show the message, error message, or you can show nothing, that is also okay. If total equal to 0, then error message you can show here, and then there is, otherwise there is information, so something like that. So if there is any error message, then order not found, or order not found error message equal to error message, that means okay, order not found is okay. And then it will take you back to the tracking.php, and if there is any else, then I will do I will write the success message. So that means here not face all, I am going to get the data like this. So here I will change, that is success message, session of success message. So in the success message, if you want, instead of showing this, or here you can show the data. Which data you can show here? Success of status. So write here a variable, success of status equal to which one, that is the result of status. Then location is tracking and exit, and this session of status is the main thing here, and that I will check in this location, that is PHP if is set, then session of status. If is set session of status, then I will show the status here. So it will be session of status, and here unset session and end if. So it is okay, it should work. So refresh. Now I am going to check my order. For example, this is order number, this one I'm going to copy, and here if I give invalid data, you see order not found, it comes back to the page and with the error message. And now if I give the valid on submit, you see order status equal to pending here showing, and it will show only for the first time. If you refresh it, it is gone. So only first time it will be able to see, and you will see your order status. So I hope you have understood how to work with the order tracking. And here you see the home page is selected, but I am in the order tracking. So if you want to fix this in the menu, then you can do that. That means here you can check the active. So if the current page, there is a current page in my case. So here this is the CUR page, that is the current page. So here I am going to check it into my home page. That means in the home, when it will be active. Here I am going to write if car page equal index.php. Then here I write echo, that is active. So then only that will be active. You see now it is not active. When you are in order, it is not active. But if I go to the home page, you see this is now active. So in this way you can show. So for all other things I will have to apply that. That means here is a shop page. So if this is shop.php, it will be selected. After that there is a blog. So here if it is blog.php, then it will be active. Blog or post, I will create here blog or post. So these two. And then if there is a, for example, that is the contact. So here I will write the full condition, I will have to write. So copy, and here I will have to write here current page equal to contact page. Then it will be selected, and here it will be like this. And for the tracking, similar way I will have to use the, if it is tracking.php, then it will be active. And if I now go to here, you see when I am in the shop, sorry, what happened, the active here is probably echo active. Where is the problem? Echo active. So when in home page, it is showing no problem. If car page equal to this, then home page, and here is problem, here this will not be here. So this is the problem. It will be ended in this case. Similar thing will be happened here. Now it should work. Refresh, go to shop page, now it is selected. Go to blog page, it is selected. When post page, it is also selected. In the contact page, then it is selected. When I am in the order tracking, then order tracking is selected.